and wears my idol physical appearances wear a handsome watch, black hair, and was some glasses. My idol characteristics are humble, friendly, intelligent, and religious. I like my idol because here I like my idol because here is um in spring. If can meet my idol, I feel very happy and moving. If I have opportunity to meet with my idol, I will ask for re- I will ask for grace and apology. If I my idol, I will say thank you for all the inspiration and the example you give us. That are my idol. And the question, please. My question is. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I have an idol. Thank you. You're welcome. The question is, what is your idol name? My idol name is Alwi Asega. You're welcome. Any question, please?
My question is, what is your idol?
My idol is catcher and actor.
Thank you.
You're welcome. My question, please. Question is, what food does he or always do? He always acts in serve of rice and give religious help. You're welcome. Any question, please? Question is, where does he always work? He always work and set and various religious events. Question is, what are your ideology? My idol physical appearances are a handsome watch, black hair, and the word I some above. Any question, please? My question: what are the characteristics of your idol? My answer is my idol characteristics are humble, friendly, intelligent, and religious. You're welcome.
My question is, why do you like your idol?